Today we're going to be doing a quick review of the Dollar Tree Aroma Diffuser. This is a Greenbrier product. It's called Be Pure Aroma Diffuser. This is a water-free diffusing battery-operated portable aroma diffuser. I think the portability thing is actually really cool. It is very light. It says this is continuous runtime, 2 AAA batteries, which are not included, you guys. Water-free diffusing and portable and compact design. And, of course, what's in the box? So we have the diffuser itself, directions, and you get 2 of these little oil scent pads for your diffuser. Here's what the diffuser looks like. Honestly, it's kind of cheap plastic, but what do you expect for $1? Here's the button that you push to make it go. You unscrew the back to put the batteries in. I like that it's children safe. The top of this pops off. That's what the mechanism looks like inside. The bottom screws off as well. Here's the fan. Here's where you put your little oil pad and your oil, just 6 to 7 droplets. I've used this a couple times, so I put more than that. Here is the vent, and like I said, here's the button where you push to make it go. I do think this thing is kind of loud. It's not so loud that you couldn't stand it, but it's loud enough that it's kind of annoying to me. I think that the oil diffusing is a little bit light. It's not for a large room, in my opinion. This would be very nice in the bathroom. It works nicely there. The batteries run a good amount of time, but they're not going to last forever. So I kind of don't like the battery aspect of this thing. I don't like how noisy it is, and I don't think that it does a very good job at blowing around the scent of the oil, but that's just my personal opinion. I've never used an oil diffuser until now, so I think this was a good deal to pick up for $1. I would not purchase another one of these. I might try a different oil in this. And as far as like the pads and stuff go, it's great that you get 2 of them, but if you want to try more than 2 oils, I don't know where you would get the maybe you could find the oil pad replacements online or something, because I don't think they have them in the store for sale. So that's kind of a bummer, and I think in the future I may buy a water diffuser to try out, but I didn't particularly like this oil diffuser. Not that it doesn't work, it's just it's not going to work for large rooms. It's battery operated, it's noisy, so that being said, I'm not a huge fan. But I do hope that you enjoyed the review, and if you have any other comments or questions regarding this product, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree reviews. Don't forget to check the description box out for additional links, and thank you so very much for watching.